Good morning. Hey everyone, I'm Steph. I'm the Secret Slob. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to another Sunday plan with me. All we're doing today is just getting everything that we've been trying to remember about the upcoming week out of our minds onto a piece of paper so we can clear a little bit of that mental load and have a plan for the week going forward. If you're new here today, welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me. Make sure you head down to the description and print off your free weekly cleaning schedule and the detailed cleaning list and just anything that you need or anything you think will support you in making your plan for this week. Make sure that no matter what, when you fill out your weekly cleaning schedule, you are making it work for you and your life. Your life doesn't look exactly like mine. Or maybe it does, but it's likely that you have some different things going on that you need to make sure you add in there. So make sure it's customized for you, your house, your family, and your life. I'm gonna get started right away, but one thing I wanted to mention really quick, if you head over to my Instagram, we are gonna do a really exciting giveaway this week. So it's gonna be announced in a couple days. I don't usually promote my Instagram on YouTube, but you guys, this giveaway is so great and it's with a really good friend. I cannot wait to share it with you. So if you're not on Instagram, don't worry about it, but if you have Instagram, head over there, make sure you're following me. It's gonna come up probably later this week around Black Friday. All right, that's it for me. Let's get started planning. I cannot wait to hear what you have planned for the week, and especially meal plan ideas. Make sure you're always sharing those because we all need ideas for easy to make meals. My weekly cleaning schedule, fresh, brand new one for the week. We're starting over. Doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter what you got done or didn't get done last week, we're starting fresh. So every week I start with the routines, and my morning and evening routine look basically the exact same every single week. And that's a really good thing because those habits have become automatic for me. I don't have to think about what I have to do. I just do them. This gives me space in my mind and my brain for real life things and things that matter. So get those little tasks that, they have to get done. You have to do them, but just get them going automatically. So make sure you're doing all the stuff in the morning and evening the same every day so it just gets done without you having to spend too much time thinking about it. So my morning routine is the same every week. Make the bed, dress to shoot, unload the dishwasher, start my laundry, bathroom swish, and I am adding go outside because it is getting cold, the days are getting shorter, and we need to focus on getting that fresh air, especially with little kids. Oh my goodness, they go crazy if they stay inside all day. So evening routine, I do a power tidy because I have little kids. I have to do it every day. A floor check. I have a baby that's crawling around on the floor, so I do a quick vacuum every day. I put my laundry away, just my load that I did this morning, and then I take 2 minutes to clear away my hotspot. You know that place where you pile extra stuff every day? Just take 2 minutes, clear it out, and it won't become that crazy clutter magnet. I always start my dishwasher in the evening so that I can unload in the morning. Again, it's all about being automatic, and then I prep everything I need for the next day. Doing this the night before is going to change your life. So if you have not added this to your evening routine, I really, really recommend adding that in, especially as we get into Christmas and our minds are filling with more and more lists and things to remember. Just get your stuff done the night before when you have time. Last thing I do in the evening is shine at my sink if I have time. Sometimes I forget, but I always try to at least have a clear counter and a clear sink. Moving over into zone cleaning. So I actually use a zone looping method. So I just do one zone for 1 week and loop around my 5 zones. So this week for me, I'm in zone number 3, bathrooms. It's okay if you're not in the same zone as me, or even if you're starting fresh and you want to start at zone number 1. You do you, make it work for your life. So zone number 3, bathrooms, and I am going to use this week to tackle the tub and shower in my kids' room and the tub and shower in my room, and then I think I'm going to do the windows too. If I can get those all done in 1 hour, I might add more stuff, or I might just give myself a break. Those are 3 really hard things: the tub, the shower, and the kids' tub and shower, so that'll probably take a full hour. I try to keep my daily focuses the same every week. So Monday is my weekly home blessing. If I don't get everything done, I just work on it through the week. Tuesday is plan and pay. And so we have gone into lockdown again in British Columbia and all of our activities have been canceled. So I'm going to just make sure I track down all of the refunds that are owed to us for different activities. And I'm also going to start my Christmas gift planning because it's Black Friday this Friday in the United States, and that trickles on up to Canada, and I'm going to get some really good deals on some gifts. Wednesday, I know what I'm doing for anti-procrastination. We put up mirrors in the girls' bathroom, and I'm going to take the stickers off. My friend was teasing me about them the other day. On Thursday, it's errand day, but let's be honest, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm going to call it self-care day. And I'm going to pick which new stick vacuum I'm going to buy on Black Friday. And I think for my self-care thing, I'm going to go for a walk by myself. I don't get a lot of alone time, just me and my thoughts, so I'm going to go for a walk by myself, maybe listen to an audiobook and just kind of get some fresh air alone. On Friday, we have car and bag day, and the back of my van is full of dirt and pine needles and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to clean that out and then just wipe the surfaces in my minivan and get it nice and clean and clear it out. We always have all kinds of mittens and hats to pull out of there. So use Friday to go through your purse, go through your car, just clear it out. On the weekend, it's the end of November, we get a real Christmas tree every year. So I'm hoping we're going to go get our Christmas tree this weekend. I can't get it too early or it dies. But usually around the end of November, beginning of December, safe, and then I get the Christmas tree for the whole month. I think I'm also going to use this weekend to start my decorating, and we decided that for our kids, for Christmas from us, we're going to build a play jungle climbing gym thing in the basement, so have to make a list of all the materials we need for that. It's going to be so awesome. I'll definitely share with you the process. Menu this week, we are still in the cold of winter. It's been like minus 20 all week here where I live in northern British Columbia, so we're doing all warm stuff. Pot roast, probably have some leftovers that we can do like hot beef sandwiches, which is really yummy. Stir fry, we just kind of always do. It's an easy one when I don't have a ton of time or energy or creativity. Spaghetti and meatballs, I feel like having meatballs, and I've got a lot of really great ground beef, local ground beef. I'm going to make into a bunch of meatballs. And then I bought a ham this weekend when I went grocery shopping, so I'm going to do a ham dinner with potatoes. Ooh, maybe we'll even do scalloped potatoes. That would be good. And then split pea soup with the leftover ham. And then the last thing we always add to our menu is leftovers, because we've always got a lot of them, or takeout if we just so happen to not have any. For the reminder section, I honestly don't have a lot going on. Like I say, we went into lockdown again, so pretty much everything's been canceled and I can't hang out with friends right now. But it is Black Friday this week and I don't want to forget. I want to make sure I have my list ready so that when everything goes on sale, I can grab the things I need. So there's the week for me. I hope you have a wonderful week planned and some delicious meals. If you live in the United States, happy Thanksgiving. I know you've got some good eating coming up and hope you guys find some great sales on Black Friday. I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.